Ukraine has carried out a massive drone attack on the Black Sea Fleet in the Crimean port city of Sevastopol, damaging one warship, Russia says. 9 drones were used, a top official said. Ukraine has not commented. This pretty impressive videos are showing Ukrainian Navy drones operating in front of Russian-occupied Sevastopol. At least 2 of them hit targets, one of them a Russian warship. The unconfirmed reports are saying that the ship that was hit is Admiral Makarov. Russia said the ships targeted in Saturday's attack were involved in the internationally brokered deal to allow grain exports from Ukrainian ports and hours later announced that it was suspending its participation in it. The attack comes as Ukrainian troops successfully retake territory occupied by Russian troops since they launched their invasion on 24 February. Russia has replied by launching large-scale attacks on Ukrainian infrastructure, particularly on the country's energy grid. Crimea was annexed by Russia from Ukraine in 2014 and is extremely symbolic for Russian President Vladimir Putin. In recent weeks, several attacks have hit the peninsula, where the Russian army has built up a large presence. Sevastopol is the largest city in the region and home to Russia's Black Sea Fleet. Mikhail Rozvashev, the Russian-installed governor of the city, said Russia's navy had repelled the latest attack, the most massive on the city since February. He said that all unmanned aerial vehicles had been shot down and no civilian infrastructure had been damaged. At least 1 vessel sustained minor damage, the Russian Ministry of Defense said. In the course of repelling a terrorist attack on the outer roadstead of Sevastopol, the use of naval weapons and naval aviation of the Black Sea Fleet destroyed 4 marine unmanned vehicles. 3 more devices were destroyed on the internal roadstead, a statement from the ministry read. The Ukrainian government rarely comments on claims made by Russian authorities in Crimea, although senior officials often celebrate incidents in the peninsula. Russia's Black Sea Fleet was previously targeted in April this year by Ukrainian forces when its flagship, the cruiser Moskva, was sunk. The 510-crew missile cruiser had led Russia's naval assault on Ukraine, and its sinking was a major symbolic and military blow. Earlier this month, a blast occurred on the Crimean Bridge, a pivotal symbol of Russia's annexation of Crimea.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.